In this video, we'll play a game where you have to guess the character based on the animal clues. Don't forget to subscribe to the Smarty channel to join in on the fun. Here's the first question for you. Can you identify the character represented by this black dog wearing such an outfit? Wow, that's right. It's Wednesday Addams. Look who's here. A pig wearing boots. You guessed it. It's our beloved Puss in Boots. Haha, who do these characters remind you of? It's quite simple to guess. It's Shrek with his buddy, Donkey. Oh my goodness, look at this seriously unamused cat. You got it. It's me, Garfield. Please, I hope you don't miss out on recognizing the owner of the Smarty channel. Who does this Tigger remind you of? Yep, it's our very own Tony Stark, the Iron Man. Can you recognize this character by this cat? That's Mario. How about this angry animal? Kung Fu Panda. Who is peeking out next to this adorable little monkey? This character has gained immense popularity lately. Yep, that's Barbie. Oh my gosh, a bear that's flying. Of course. Let's figure out the character here. He's a hero who wears a black suit and has a green enemy with a white face. That would be Batman. Guess the character. That's Mickey Mouse. That's quite a scary looking dog. Can you guess which character it represents? It's Pennywise. Did you guess? He's definitely incredibly speedy. And the right answer is Sonic. Guess the character. Joker. This character is someone lots of people know. It's Black Panther. How about this character? Let's check out the answer. Who might this green character be? Here's a little hint. He's from a different planet. That's right, it's Yoda. Guess the character. You are amazing. Here is the correct answer. Did you guess it correctly? Can you figure out who the character is by looking at this owl wearing glasses? Yes, it's Harry Potter. Who is he? The correct answer, Pikachu. Let's try one very easy question. Of course, that's Spider-Man. How about this character? Lightning McQueen. What a scary bunny! The correct answer is Bugs Bunny. Who do you think this princess might be? Please leave her name in the comments section below.